Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing my recipe for roasted spiced chicken. Let's get started with the ingredients.
1 whole chicken, 1 kg. I cut into 4. I remove the skin and the wings, and I'll try to pack dry as I can. Olive oil, lemon, yogurt, powdered garlic, granulated onion, fennel, coriander, cumin, Himalayan salt, black pepper, chili powder, turmeric.
This is how it should look like once it's out of the oven. The color of the chicken should be a nice golden brown.
I'll show you 2 ways of plating it, or whichever way you want. Okay, this is one of the way. I'm going to put 2 chicken. And I have some steamed vegetable. The second way you can do it as a sandwich filling. I've actually shredded the chicken. Here is my hot dog bun with sliced cheese. So I'll put as many chicken as I can, and I'm going to heat it in the oven for a while. I'll show you later once it's out of the oven. Now I've toasted the bun. I'm going to put some veggie.
This is the final look. You can use a baking paper to help you to wrap the sandwich just like how I did here to ensure that the chicken and veggie stays in place. That's about it for this video. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments down below. Like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!